Hi, today I'm going to give a quick demonstration of a server-side web application that I just recently made, and I have called it What's for Lunch. And this app is meant to help like family or friends to decide where to go for lunch. Like it's kind of like lunch roulette. So I have this bunch of pages like so when you click here, like every time you go to the home page, it will say like give you a place, recommend a place that you may go for lunch, and name, description, all the details, picture of the place, and the Google Maps. So for suppose like you want to like to go to a different place or like and it's another day, just click here and you'll get uh, a new place to go. So this information is coming from the uh, database that we stored like so I'll give you a quick example with a new place. So I'm going to add a new restaurant called Big and a Jelly Jar, and I'm just getting all this information from Google. So I'll just fill out this information: type of food, American, maybe suppose it's expensive restaurant, phone number is this one, so website, I think their website is this one, and dine in yes, takeout yes, and they. So for the Google Maps section, I what I did is like I just went to the Google Maps and embedded a map. I just chose a small size and just copied the HTML code. So I just need this section from HTML. So I have it here. So I'm just copying that information, and I need an image of the place. So I'm just begin a jelly jar image. So after filling all this information, I'm hitting submit. So this information is like now submitted and like stored and saved in our database. So we can see that place like is at the last. So yeah, we have this place called now Begin a Jelly Jar in our database. And so if you went and click this link, you'll go to this detail page and you'll see all the information we just recently inputted. So description, like food, and Google Maps, like all the information we have. Suppose you want to like edit some of the information. Suppose you want to like change like a dine in to like suppose you can't do the dine in now for like maybe because of COVID, just say no. And suppose your phone number is changed, like just say it's 83. So just hit update. So okay, now you can see this place being updated here, like with the phone number changed and its dining says dining is no. So yeah, so basically like this is now like so this the place recently added may come up because I have like added like there was 27, now this with this one like 28. So this is like randomly like yeah, now you can see this place randomly comes to our list. So yeah, this is basically how it works. And I showed like how to add it, but like suppose I don't want to add, like I want to delete this place, like I didn't want to have this place in my database, just I simply go here and delete. It just gives me like a confirm message. I just hit confirm and it just is now like removed from the database. So yeah, this is basically like I have like these pages like home, about, see all places, like to find all the places. Suppose it's like you can use this search feature to suppose I want a place maybe uh, like let's go to the subway. So it will give me like Subway. Like this is like just a quick search. Like you can just search anything. If it's there, it will give like there's like a places with a grill, like four places. So it gave me like all the four places. So that's all. And now I'm going to talk about like I have a short presentation like showing like how what were the uh, just say like what were like more about this app. So it's a launch roulette app and it's a, like a server-side web application. So it has home, about, details, edit, page, and form, like form to add a new place. So my front end, like the front end part was done with the bulma framework, and it's that's why it's very responsive. I can show you that. Uh, just you can also like, for example, you want to view from your mobile phone, like you can see like it's very responsive. You can go to the home page. You can add like see the form. It's like fully responsive. And so I use the Django app. It's like a Python based and it's a backend app. And I have like use these features like form, pagination, virtual environment, search feature, and those things. And basically my object like aim was to like so like apply all these CRUD features. So I had like a create, read, update, and delete all these features in my app. So the main challenging part was the forms and the paginations and forms. Like you can see here, like this was like the form to input the information, and the pagination is like this number you see here, like the one next page, last page. This is like just to save, make like not show everything at once, but like only show 9 items at once. So nine, like 18, and like 27, kind of like that. And so the challenges and problems was like working with the form was challenging, and making the drop down list in the form was one of the challenging part. Like the image wasn't uploading when I was working on it, and the Google Maps code, like it wasn't working. Sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't. And making the edit piece, uh, filling out the information was easy, but like when I wanted to like edit, suppose when I went here and try to edit to get out all this information back, and was like one of the challenges. And other challenges was like having this drop down and like select the right place every time. Like it was like challenging for me. And so and that were all the challenges I had. And so I how I solved those problems, like basically like uh, my professor was very helpful. Like he was like very good, replied my all my emails with all my questions and problems I had, and he was very kind. And I solved most of the problems talking with him, and I had got help from Stack Overflow, like how to googling like things like, well, this isn't working, how to fix that, and kind of like that way. And I have this in my GitHub link, and this is the link for my app, and you can see this is the link here. So I have like 14 commits to like I made like I basically had like 14 commits to make this apps, and finally it's working, and I'm happy with what it is, how it is now. And I feel like I learned a lot building this app. And like so I'll just show like what's in the uh, backend part. Like so this is like I'll just log out and so log back in again. So this has like all the restaurants here and all the places that I added. Like it has like total 27 places. So yeah, so that was all I had to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope I enjoyed and had a lot of fun making this app, and planning to do like some more in future. And thanks for watching.